Good morning students, welcome to the class. I am Sudhanshu Bharti, Assistant Professor of English Literature. Today we are going to discuss the Elizabethan period. The Elizabethan period and the writers who were writing under this period are divided into three categories. The first category is the Oxford Humanists. Just write it down, the writers who are under Oxford Humanists. The first name is Sir Thomas More. Sir Thomas More wrote a book called Utopia in Latin language in 1516. The book is divided into two parts. The part 1 is known as the Dialogue of Council and part 2 is known as the Discourse on Utopia. This book is very important from your exam point of view, and this book gets translated in 1551 by Ralph Robinson. Another writer comes under this category is John Colet. John Colet founded the St. Paul's School in 1504. Now we are shifting to the second category, and the category is known as the educationist. The first man who is under this category is Thomas Eliot. Thomas Eliot wrote a book called The Governor, which he dedicated to Henry VIII, and he also published the first Latin to English dictionary in 1538. The second writer of this category is Roger Ascham. Roger Ascham published a work called Toxophilus, which is the art of shooting, and he was the man who was a tutor to Queen Elizabeth as well. And the second important work of Roger Ascham is The Schoolmaster. The third important writer under this category is Thomas Wilson. Thomas Wilson published a work called Art of Rhetoric, and all these works are very important from your exam point of view. And the third category to be discussed under this period is the the translators of the Bible. So William Tyndale was the first man who translated the New Testament in the year 1525. The second translation was being done by Miles Coverdale in the year 1538, and after it we saw Bishop Bible, whose year is 1539, and finally we have the first authorized version of Bible, who is also named as King James Bible. It comes in the year 1611. So majorly these three categories are very important, and the works I have mentioned needs to be studied because UGC will going to ask some question for sure from these works. In the next lecture, we will discuss the historical background of this age and some more writers. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.